Okay guys, welcome back. Before I move forward and install a premium theme, I would like to direct you to the couple of videos that will help you to understand the difference between free and paid themes. Okay, as I mentioned before, I have covered the security related concepts in this Fundamentals of Internet Security program, and this course is absolutely free. I will encourage you to take this course and go through the lecture 15 and 16, in which I talk about the difference between free and paid themes, and from where you can get free themes, the underworld or the black hat community, and you will be able to see how people are selling free themes, or even the paid themes are presented there as a free. Okay, these lectures are only for education purpose. That will give you insight and save you time in the long run. As I'm sure your time is valuable, you only want to invest your time into something that will give you recurring income for the long run, and that will meet your objectives and will not cost you money. Okay, so I thought I will redirect you to these videos first so you can get a full grip. I don't want to drag these videos in this course, just don't want to extend this course unnecessary, because the security course is free and you can take a leverage from there. So go through these videos, you will understand why I'm willing to purchase a premium theme. Okay, it will save us money in the long run. Okay, so for this demonstration I'm going to purchase a theme, and that is Fever. Okay, it is a premium theme available on themeforest.net. Again, the link you will find on the resource page, the page I have already shared with you. Okay, this one. You will click there and it will lead you to this premium theme. The actual cost of this theme is about $60. Okay, but here is a advantage for you. Because I'm using this theme and I'm working with these guys for a long time, I have developed a very great relationship, and they have agreed to knock out 10% who will purchase this theme via me. So all you need to do is to purchase this theme and send me the serial key, and they will return you 10%. I think that will be about $6. Okay, so this is the theme I'm going to use. It's not only for the blogging, it covers quite a lot of other disciplines as well. We'll probably cover all of those disciplines, but in different courses. Okay, so it's a Fever theme. It comes with the WooCommerce, BuddyPress, and multilingual support. It covers the agencies, e-commerce, creative sites, corporate sites, and blogging sites. In this course, we will be covering only the blogging site, and this is the website that we will be creating. Okay, we will have a cool top header, and then our posts will display in a metro style. Okay, and at the bottom we will have the footer. Along with this page we will also have about us and contact us page. Okay, so very simple, and you will definitely gonna love it. This is very sleeky and modern style look blogging website. Okay, so in order to purchase this theme, all you need to do is to add it to your cart or buy now. Okay, let's click on buy now, and here it will ask you to create an account if you don't have already. Okay, so put your first name, last name, and your email address. Click next. After providing your billing address and your personal detail, it will ask you to pay for this theme. There are three options here. You can pay it via your credit or debit card. You can also pay it via PayPal, and also if you already have some credit in a Evonto account, which I already have, you can utilize that credit as well. Okay, so once you will select the option that you want to have, let's say if I'm going for the PayPal, okay, all I need to do is to check out this option. It will take me to the PayPal and it will verify the transaction. Okay, Evonto market is a very big market for the digital resources. Okay, I'm not sure if you already have used or accessed this website or not, but I will highly encourage you to put some extra credit if you are interested to buy some other digital products on this website. Okay, so that will save you this $2 in the next transaction. Okay, so anyway, so you can purchase this theme after clicking this option, and once you will purchase it, it will display on your desktop. Okay, now after purchase this theme, all you need to do is to select your account, go to the download option, click on downloads, and this will display you all the items that you have purchased or the theme. Locate the theme. Now here I have my theme, a Fever Creative multi-purpose theme. All I need to do is to click on download option, and this will give you a list of things. The first option is all files and documentation. You can click this. Okay, or the second option, which is installable WordPress files only. You can click that as well. I will say download all the files and documentation. Click this option and it will start downloading a zip file that will contain everything. Okay, so here the downloadable file, in which we have our theme, child theme, licensing information, source files, and documentation. Okay, so I want you to save this file into a folder, and we will be able to install it from there. Okay, and once this is placed in a folder, The following process will be easy. Okay, I will see you next video.